In this video, I'll show you how I went from this to this. So I started with, I call it my workplace wig. It's a short layered wig. I cut it myself. I really like it, but it's time for a change. So I took this bad girl off. And this is my braid down pattern that I wear under most of my wig units. I did not wash my hair for this style. I just took down my braids. Here I am taking them down. It looks like I'm being rough, but I'm actually not. One of the biggest tips I can give anyone wearing protective styles is to protect the ends of your hair. Before I braid down my hair for a protective style, I make sure that I moisturize my ends and that I seal them with a little bit of oil. That can go a long way in helping you retain length and avoid knots. So here I am continuing to take down my braid down. Now I put my hair in this little puff, and let me talk to y'all about this little puff. I am so excited about this little bit of hair, this little puff that I have without help. I've always had trouble growing out my hair because it gets to about this length. I get frustrated with it and then I'll cut it, but I'm trying to not do that this time. So here I'm showing I have some areas of breakage. It's not thinning, but it looks like the ends have been broken, which could be from wigs, which is why I'm switching it up and doing a puff hairstyle. So once I get my braids taken down, I detangle to get everything brushed up into a puff. I'm just using a paddle brush. I didn't use any type of water or leave-in. I didn't need it. But if you hear snapping or popping when you are detangling your hair, stop. You need to get some type of product, water or something to give you some slip, because that popping sound is your hair breaking. We don't want that. Once I get it detangled, I just sweep everything up and use a satin wrapped ponytail holder, satin wrapped scrunchie, to put my hair into a small bun. So this is the ponytail that I use for this style. And here are the ponytail holders on the hair. Now this is the hair that I used for that ponytail. This is the twisted up crochet hair. And I realize a lot of people may not know how to wrap the rubber bands or the ponytail holder around the hair. So I'll show you with this dark gray towel, which represents the braiding hair. This green rubber band represents one ponytail holder. You take it and just wrap it around the hair, and then you have yourself two little handles on one side. Once you do that, you'll take your second ponytail holder, which is represented by this blue rubber band, loop it through the green rubber band, open up one end of the blue rubber band, reach through it, pull the other end of the blue rubber band through, and voila. It's kind of like crocheting. Like when you crochet hair. And there you have your ponytail. So once I've gotten my ponytail holders on my braiding hair, this part is either the most fun or the least fun, depending on your perspective on it. You really just put the ponytail on and you have to play with it until it looks the way that you want it to look. I tried several different iterations of this ponytail before I landed on the one that I liked the most. So here you can see I put it on, didn't like it, took it down, rebrushed my hair, moved my ponytail back a little further. I thought maybe it needed more height, so I added another satin wrap scrunchie. Didn't like that, but it was cute. I'm looking at it while I'm editing and it was actually pretty cute, but in the moment that's not what I wanted. So again, I'm just playing with it, to figure out what I like and what's going to work for me. Don't be afraid to take it down and try again. It's all trial and error. So it was at this point I realized what I needed to do. I needed to cut it. So I grabbed my shears and I started cutting away. So I would cut a little bit, pin a little bit, cut a little bit more. And most of the cutting I actually did off camera because I needed to stand in front of my three-way mirror so that I could see the back. But it's just a really simple process. Find a piece, stretch it, trim it, and keep doing it until you get the shape and the volume that you're wanting. And here I am with my puff all cut and shaped the way I'd like. To finish up this style and make it look a little more polished, I used some Miel coil custard to help make the curls pop and to provide a little more control around my hairline and around the back. Yeah, I'm feeling myself right here. I'm feeling it. And I prefer a little bit of baby hair, so I got some of my edge control and we're going to sweep and swoop a few baby hairs to finish off this look. Again, it may look like I'm being rough, but I'm actually being very gentle. Be gentle with your hair. It is hair, not steel. Treat it like fine lace or fine silk. Don't treat it like it's 2x4. You have to be gentle with your hair. And here's the final look. I think this is going to be a go-to style for me going forward. It was really easy, no tension, really lightweight. Make sure you click that button to subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content and hit that notification bell. So until next time, be safe.